Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Monai. Today I need to discuss about some problem of inverse trigonometric function. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe. The question is given: solve the following equation: cos inverse x plus half plus cos inverse x plus cos inverse x minus half is equal to 3 pi by 2. Here solve is given, that means we have to find the value of x. Now I can write cos inverse x plus half plus this I can write first, cos inverse x minus half is equal to 3 pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. This is equal to, you see, this is in the form of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. You know the formula, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square 1 minus y square. Okay, we have to apply this formula here. So cos inverse x plus half x minus half minus root over 1 minus x plus half whole square into 1 minus x minus half whole square is equal to 3 pi by 2. I can write 3 pi by 2, that is pi plus pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Okay, so this is equal to cos inverse a plus b minus b, that is x square minus 1 by 4 minus root over 1 plus 1 minus, you write 1 minus x square plus 1 by 4 minus x. You see, a square, that is x square, b square, that is 1 by 4 minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel out, only x you can get here. Okay, plus x again 1 minus x square plus 1 by 4 minus x, okay, is equal to, you see, you know the formula, cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So in the place of pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, I can write sin inverse x, that is pi plus sin inverse x. Okay, so implies, now you taking cos both sides, cos inverse x square minus 1 by 4 minus root over, you see, 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4 minus x, again 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4 plus x is equal to pi plus sin inverse x, that is taking cos both sides, so cos pi plus sin inverse x. Now you see, cos inverse will cancel out, we can get x square minus 1 by 4 minus root over this, you see, 1 minus 1 by 4 minus x square minus x, here also 1 minus 1 by 4 minus x square plus x is equal to, you see, cos pi plus cos inverse sin inverse x, this lies in second quadrant, that is minus cos theta, that is minus cos sin inverse x. Okay, implies x square, here 4x square minus 1 by 4 minus, this is 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 4, 3 minus 4x square minus 4x by 4. Here 4 minus 1, that is 3, 3 minus 4x square plus x by plus 4x by 4. Okay, is equal to, you see, minus cos sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse root over 1 minus x square. Okay, here you see 4x square minus 1 by 4 minus, here if you take root, this is 2 and here is also 2, that is 4. Here 3 minus 4x square minus 4x, 3 minus 4x square plus 4x plus 4x. Okay, root over is equal to cos inverse, cos inverse will cancel out, minus root over 1 minus x square. Okay, implies this is equal to 4x square minus 1 minus, this is equal to how much, you see, a minus, you consider as 3 minus 4x square is a, 4x is b, that is 3 minus 4x square minus 4x, again 3 minus 4x square plus 4x. You consider this is a and this is b, so this is equal to a plus b and a minus b, that is 3 minus 4x square whole square minus 4x whole square root, okay, by 4, okay, is equal to minus root 1 minus x square. Okay, implies 4x square minus 1 minus 3 minus 4x square, 3 minus 4x square minus 16x square, this is whole square minus 16x square is equal to 4 into minus 4 into root over 1 minus x square. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Now you see 4x square minus 1 minus root over 3 minus 4x square, that is 9 plus 16x4, okay, minus 2ab, that is 4 into 3, 12 into 2, minus 24x square minus 16x square is equal to minus 4 root over 1 minus x square. Okay, that is 4x square minus 1 is equal to 9 plus 16x4, 24x square, 16x4 minus 40x square minus 4 root over, here also root 1 minus x square. Okay, now squaring both sides, squaring 24x square, 16x square, that is minus 24x square minus 16, that is minus 40x square, squaring both sides. When you squaring both sides, you can get 4x square minus 1 whole square is equal to root over 9 plus 16x4 minus 40x square minus 4 root over 1 minus x square whole square is equal to 9 plus 16 x4 minus 40x square minus plus, and this is 16 1 minus x square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 2 into 4, okay, root over 9 plus 16 x4 minus 40x square into 1 minus root over 1 minus x square. Okay, this is equal to how much, 16x4 minus 8x square plus 1, okay, is equal to 9 plus 16x4 minus 40x square plus 16 minus 16x square minus 8 root over, you multiply 9 minus x square, these two you multiply, you can get 9 minus 9x square plus 16x4 minus 16x6 minus 40x square plus 40x4, okay. In this side you can get 16x4 minus 8x square plus 1, 16x4 will cancel out, okay. So this is equal to 40 plus 16 minus 8x square plus, see 40 plus minus 40 plus 16, that is, you can write here 56 x square, here minus I have taken into left, so that is plus, here you see here 1 is there, and 9 plus 16 25 minus 25 you write is equal to minus 8 root over, you see 9x square 40x square minus 49x square, okay, 16x4 40x4, that is 56x4, okay, minus 16x6, okay. This is 9x square 40 minus 9x square minus 40x square, that is minus 49x square, 16x4 40x4, that is 56x4, and minus 16x6, okay. Now you can get 8x square plus 56x square, that is 48x square minus 24 is equal to minus 8 root over 9 minus 49x square plus 56x4 minus 16x6. Pause the video, note it down. You see 48x square minus 24, here taking common 8, 6x square minus 3, okay, is equal to minus 8 root over 9 minus 49x square plus 56x4 minus 16x6, okay. You see 8 will cancel out, this is equal to 6x square minus 3, okay, is equal to minus root over 9 minus 49x square plus 56x4 minus 16x6, squaring both sides, again squaring both sides, okay. You can get 36x4 minus 9 plus 9, 36x square plus 9 minus 54x4, so 36, okay, 36 2ab, that is how much, 12 into 3 36, this is 36 x square, okay, is equal to 9 minus 49x square plus 56x4 minus 16x6, okay. This 9 and this 9 will cancel out, so this is equal to 36x4 minus 56x4 minus 36x square plus 49x square, okay, minus plus 16x6 is equal to 0. Here you see 16x6, so implies 16x6 minus here 20x4, this is 13x square is equal to 0. Taking common x square, okay, so 16x4 minus 20x square plus 13 is equal to 0, implies x square is equal to 0, or 16x4 minus 20x square plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is the solution of the following equation. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. The question is given: solve the following equation. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus root 3 minus tan inverse 1 by x is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. We have to find the value of x from here. You see the question is given. Now you take tan inverse 1 by 2 plus root 3 is equal to tan inverse. I can multiply 2 minus root 3 in numerator and denominator. Okay, then this is equal to tan inverse 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3 is equal to tan inverse 2 minus root 3. Okay, tan inverse 2 minus root 3 is equal to 15 degree. How it is 15 degree? I have derived here. Tan 45 minus 30 is equal to tan 15, and I derived here. You check it how it is 15 degree. The question is given 3 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus root 3 is minus tan inverse 1 by x is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, 3 tan inverse 2 plus root 3, that is 15 degree, that is 3 into 15. 3 into 15 degree is equal to, you write minus tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Okay, is equal to how much? This is 45 degree minus tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Okay, now you see tan inverse 1 by x is equal to 45 degree minus tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, tan inverse 1 by x is equal to 45 degree is equal to tan inverse 1. 45 degree is equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, you erase this. Implies you apply here tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. This is equal to tan inverse 1 by x is equal to tan inverse 1 minus 1 by 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Okay, is equal to tan inverse will cancel out. 1 by x is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 3, this is 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 will cancel out. 1 by x is equal to 3 minus 1. Here you see 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 2 by 4. Okay. 1 by x is equal to 2 by 4. Okay. X is equal to, you see, one by x is equal to 2 by 4. Okay. Cross multiply, you can get 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. Then x is equal to, this is your required solution. Pause the video, note it down.